In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Helpcenter, aka Helpdesk. In your Shopify admin dashboard, head to Apps, Recommended Apps, Shopify App Store. Alternatively, if you don't have access currently to your Shopify admin page, open your favorite browser, search for apps.shopify.com, or search for Shopify App Store directly. In the search tab, search Helpdesk. Helpdesk is a tool that's used by a lot of people. You can choose the free pricing right here by using the filters. Click on this one that's called live chats and chatbots. Keep in mind that all of those are used and highly suggested, but I suggest this one. Here you're gonna be prompted with this page. You can see that this will help you respond on chat and messenger, enable bots and increase sales, and set up in less than 13 seconds. So stick around. Click on Add App. Click on Install App on the top right corner. After that, you will be prompted with this page to set up your live chat. Keep in mind that live chat, as I said, after a certain point will be paid. Enter your name, for example, your store name. It's going to be just be example. Click on Continue. I want to increase more sales, and I want to automate conversations. Number of support agents, 1. For example, how many customers do you have last month? Let's say 6 to 25. By clicking Agree, click on Continue, send them a discount code, or just greet them warmly, for example. You can set your password, making sure, please, that you have a randomly generated password. Click on Continue. Now you will be to go Shopify theme editor, add widgets, start your first conversation, meet your future customers on visitor list, connect Facebook Messenger and Instagram, and finally don't miss on any conversation by downloading for Android, for example, in your phone to connect with your customers 24/7. Head back to Shopify App Store, enable this one, click Save on the top right corner. Go back here, and after this, go to start your first conversion, simulate conversion. For example, it's going to open a pop-up that you guys may not be able to see, but as you can see right here, we are going to have, for example, a text, and here it is. We can take over this conversation, and sorry, but you can't see the other tab, but I'm typing, for example, test, and here I'm going to receive test, hi there, test, for example, and my other guy is going to receive it. This is what it looks like currently in the other tab I'm going to show you right now. But yeah, I hope you guys got the idea. I disconnected, so here it is what it looks like. It's just a tab that will help you view what's there. With that said, that's basically it, guys. You've actually successfully set up everything. You can, as I said, download the app in the phone or App Store, Play Store, and you'll be good to go.